The new drug rehabilitation center established by TTA-DC government was inaugurated by the Maharaja Pradyot Debbarma on Monday. ADC CEM Purnachandra Jamatia, EM Dolly Riang, EM Sohel Debbarma, EM Rabindra Debbarma, EM Bhobaranjan Riang and EM Kamal Kalai were all present on the occasion. This is the first drug rehabilitation center established at Khumlung by TTA-DC government. The new drug rehabilitation center established at Khumlung Park behind the cottage by TTA-DC government was inaugurated by the Maharaja Pradyot Debbarma by cutting the yellow ribbon on Monday. ADC CEM Purnachandra Jamatia, EM Dolly Riang, EM Sohel Debbarma, EM Rabindra Debbarma, EM Bhobaranjan Riang, EM Kamal Kalai, MDC Ganesh Debbarma, West Zonal Chairman Tony Debbarma and ADC CEO CK Jamatia were all present on the occasion.
First of all, I am very happy that this rehabilitation center, the drug rehabilitation center, has started. Over 1 year ago, I remember my CEO, myself, going and meeting the then Chief Secretary and asking him for funds to start this project. And we went there twice, we met the Chief Secretary, and while he is not here with us today, it is very important that we don't forget that he also played a small role in giving us the funds required to start this project. Tripura has a drug problem, and this drug problem affects the indigenous people the most. The government has come up with a policy called Nasha Mukt Tripura. But till the time we do not stop the same politicians who say Nasha Mukt Tripura and also promote drugs, Tripura will never be drug free. We are a border state and our borders are porous. And till the time we do not let our youth, and I'm very happy that I have my EM for sports and youth also here. Till the time our youth don't realize that if you want the Tripura to survive, you have to reject drugs. If you want our future generation to be stronger than the present one, our mind has to be clear, our heart has to be larger than life. And our vision for a new Tripura has to be without drugs. Drugs have destroyed many societies and continues to destroy our society as well. People who pray, people who understand the devastation of drugs have to realize one thing, that the first people who get affected when someone's son or daughter becomes a drug addict is not anyone but their own family. I've seen families being destroyed because people became addicts. I've seen the pain in the eyes of a mother and the disappointment in the eyes of a father when he sees his children become drug addicts. Addiction is a problem, and it is our job to ensure that how do we counter this. And I'm very glad that ADC has started this. I'm very glad because there were many obstacles, we faced many challenges, but I must thank EM Dolly, I must thank other EMs, including Kamal Kalai, my CEM, Purnachandra Jamatia. I have to thank Ganesh Debbarma, who is a local area MDC, who have risen beyond their own interests so that we can create a rehabilitation center for our children. I will also request my CEO, my CEM, the ministers, EMs concerned, how we can make this place, how we can beautify this place, how we can look after the children. And I also request, and I would like to thank our armed forces who are here, how you also through your CSR can help us. अगर स्वस्थ हिंदुस्तान को बनना है नेक्स्ट जनरेशन को बचाना है। और ये जो ड्रग्स का जो व्यापार है, ये आपसे ज्यादा अच्छा कौन जानता है? आप तो सीमा में, और आप जानते हैं कि अगर हमें नशा मुक्त त्रिपुरा को रोकना है, अगर नशा मुक्त त्रिपुरा को सच में साकार करना है, तब बॉर्डर से जो लोग ड्रग्स लेकर आ रहे हैं, हाँ पॉलिटिकल बैकिंग है उनका, बड़े अमीर लोग भी हैं उसमें, लेकिन अगर देश को बचाना है तो इसको रोकना है।
Maharaja Pradyot Kishore Debbarma and other all invited guests has visited around the drug rehabilitation center after the end of program. Bureau report, Chini Khorang.